Good morning all. In last class we were discussed about the various types of batteries. Among them lithium ion battery has been preferred batteries to be used in the electric vehicle due to its low self discharge rate. In today's session we are going to see about the battery management system, in which let us discuss about how far the battery management system can support you monitor and control the operating performance of the battery, and how far the battery management system can protect and preserve the electric batteries in electric vehicles. The battery management system comes under the course outcome 1 to enumerate the layout of electric vehicle system components and electronic control system, under which the learning outcome 1 LO1 is to discuss the layout of an electric vehicle, under which the specific outcome 5 is to understand the role of battery management system of an electric vehicle. So in this class, we will discuss about the battery management system roles and responsibilities, its diagrammatic parts, significance of the battery management system, along with that the safety operating parameters like safety state of charge SOC and state of health SOH, which can be monitored by the battery management systems. This is the electric vehicle layout, in which the battery management system is present within the battery pack. The battery management system comprises the cooling system, battery management system, and the battery modules. So the battery management system is present within the battery pack of an electric vehicles. So this is the diagrammatic parts of the battery management system. Here this is the brake assist and this brake pedal and accelerated pedal. So these two, brake pedal and accelerated pedal, are controlled by means of the electric vehicle electronic control unit in order to adjust the mobilization of an electric vehicle. The battery management system is present at the transmission part of the EVECU, that is the electric vehicle electronic control unit, and will have a continuous communication between this battery pack area and the electric vehicle electronic control unit through the controller area network bus system, that is the CAN bus system. So this inside this battery pack, we already well known about that battery management system or the battery management unit, battery modules or the cell modules, and the coolant system are present. This battery management system will completely take care of the battery modules. If the battery modules are operating within the safety operating limits of voltage, safety operating limits of temperature, and safety operating limits of current, then this battery management system or battery management unit will allow the battery modules to connect with the mechanical load in order to drive the electric vehicle. Suppose if the battery module is operating beyond the safe operating limits of the voltage, current, and temperature, means then what happens, this battery management unit or this battery management unit will disconnect the battery module from the mechanical load in order to protect and preserve the battery module. So that means that this battery management unit or a battery management system BMS will completely monitors and controls the performance of the batteries within the safety operating ranges, and so it is said to be protecting the battery modules from the mechanical damages. So why this role, this battery management system role is said to be very much essential and significant. Why means assuming that battery modules are failed in the electric vehicle drive system means then it causes a insecurity and the damages to the electric vehicle operators and passengers who are in the electric vehicles. Hence, this battery management unit or battery management system completely and consistently monitors performance and its operating parameters of the battery modules within the safety operating ranges. And apart from that, here there is a level 1, level 2 charger, and here this is a level 3 and level 4 charger. This level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 charger can be seen as a separate topic. So we know that chargers are essential for the charging the electrical energy in this battery module. So we know that the battery module stores only in the DC form of energy. So the available form of energy is AC. Hence it has to be converted the available AC form into the DC by means of the power electronic converter system. Only after converting then the electrical energy can be stored inside the battery modules. Next. So as I told earlier, this battery management system monitors and controls the operating performance of the battery within the safety operating ranges. Then it is said to be the brain or the caretaker of the electric vehicles. Then this every battery management system in the electric vehicles always it uses to measures the most important parameters like the safety range of voltage, safety range of current, and safety range of the temperature of the cell of a battery. So how this battery management system happens means, so it constantly compares the safety values of the safety operating values of the voltage, current, and temperature with the threshold value, which is the predefined value. So if it is within the threshold value, then this battery management system allow the battery module to connect it with the mechanical load. Suppose if these parameters, safety operating ranges or safety operating parameters exceeds the threshold value means, then what happens, this battery management system will disconnect the battery from the mechanical load in order to protect and preserve the battery from the mechanical damages. So apart from that, this battery management system will also monitors about the SOP, that is the state of available power, next SOC, that is the state of charge, and SOH, that is the state of health of a battery. So in this SOC means that state of charge means it is a present available status of the electrical energy within the battery. So for an example, SOC is 100% means then battery is said to be completely full. If an SOC is 0% means then battery is said to be empty, which means that this SOC state of charge indicates about the present available energy status of the battery and how far further it can be recharged in future. So this information can be obtained from the parameter of the SOC. Next is the SOH, that is the state of health. So this state of health which always indicates about the lifespan or the lifetime of the battery and when the battery must be replaced and how long the battery can be sustained in future for effective operation of an electric vehicle. All such informations can be extracted from the SOH, that is the state of health. Hence the monitoring of the SOC state of charge and monitoring of the SOH that is state of health are considered to be the important task as this battery management system has been concerned. Hence this duty is highly possible to be performed by this battery management system. So thank you.